Contractions are a shortened form of two words created by combining them and replacing one or more letters with an apostrophe. For example, you and are. You is a second person pronoun, and are is a linking verb. To make a contraction, we remove the letter A and replace it with an apostrophe. So it becomes your. And it does not change the meaning of the words at all. And when we use it in a sentence, the meaning will be the same. For example, you're beautiful. It still means that you are beautiful. Here are some more examples of contractions. And to save time, we have prepared a PDF file and a blog post with a list of contractions in English grammar with example sentences. You may find more details in the description box below. Now, when do we use and when do we not use contractions? First, we'll categorize using English language into two: writing and speaking. Contractions can be used in informal writing, and here are some types of informal writing: emails to friends or family, text messages, personal blogs or social media posts, creative writing, such as fiction or poetry, novels, memoirs, poems, and other fictional book genres, chat messages, personal letters. In speaking, we can use contractions in conversations with friends or family, phone calls or video chats with friends or family, small talk with acquaintances, casual conversations with colleagues or classmates, public speaking to informal audiences such as social gathering or community events, and interviews with friends or family members. We do not use contractions in formal writing, such as academic essays, business letters, legal documents, research reports, technical manuals, news articles, academic books, like the books we use at school. We also do not use contractions in these types of speaking: lectures, business presentations, speeches, debates, panel discussions, toasts. For formal speeches, we have speeches given at public events such as conferences or political rallies. And for toasts, you might wonder why it is included, but toasts are a type of formal speaking too, used in social settings such as weddings or formal dinners. They typically follow a structured format and use formal language. It's important to note that while informal writing and speaking may be more relaxed and casual, it should still adhere to basic rules of grammar and spelling for writing and pronunciation for speaking, and the level of informality should be appropriate for the context and audience. And while formal writing and speaking are typically more structured and precise than informal writing, the level of formality required may vary depending on the context and audience. In general, formal writing and speaking should use proper grammar, avoid slang or colloquial expressions, and must be in a clear and concise manner. Especially for writing, it must use proper punctuation along with correct grammar.